I'm not
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. The sun in the sky has a smile on his face, and he's shining a salute to the American race. Oh boy, it's swell to say, good morning, USA. Good morning, USA. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way up, way up, way up, way up. Now there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Sure.
Is that my phone? No, 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 no. Oh, better go get that.
Ooh, you got some pie, eh? Can I have a piece? Sure. Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip. What'd you say? You can't have a pie without Cool Whip. Cool Whip? Cool Whip, yeah. You mean Cool Whip? Yeah, Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. You're saying it weird. Why are you putting so much emphasis on the H? What are you talking about? I'm just saying it. Cool Whip. You put Cool Whip on pie. Pie tastes better with Cool Whip. Say whip. Whip. Now say Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. You're eating hair.
The seven-time Winston Cup champion, car 3, Dale Earnhardt.
Charming, rough neighborhood, isn't it? Lewis, I'm going to start a screaming match with that black gentleman down on the sidewalk. Hey, get away from my steps, motherfucker! Hey, fuck your mama! Fuck your mama, asshole! Fuck you! Fuck you back! Oh, well, that was fun.